Have you noticed something lately? That your legs, once quick, steady, reliable, now take just a little more effort. Getting up from a chair feels harder. Climbing stairs makes you pause halfway. Or maybe walking across the room just doesn't feel as confident as it once did. If any of this sounds familiar, please know you're not imagining it. You're not alone. And most importantly, you are not powerless. Today, I want to share something gentle but powerful. 3 simple nutrients that can help your legs feel stronger, lighter, and more stable again, often in just a few days. No intense workouts, no pricey therapies, just a quiet shift your body might have been quietly asking for. But before we go deeper, if you find these kinds of videos helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and let us know in the comments where you're watching from. It helps more people like you find this support. 1. Vitamin D3, the foundation of strength and balance. Let's begin with the nutrient I call the silent strengthener, vitamin D3. Vitamin D3 is like a hidden switch in your body. Flipping it on brings your muscles, bones, and nerves into harmony. It strengthens your foundation, helps prevent falls, and even soothes those stubborn leg cramps that strike in the middle of the night. But here's what most people don't realize. After age 60, your body naturally produces less D3. Your skin doesn't process sunlight the same way. You spend more time indoors. And the organs responsible for activating D3, your liver and kidneys, slow down too. It all happens quietly, slowly, until one day you realize your legs feel heavier, standing up takes more effort, and walking feels a little off. But there's hope, real hope. Harvard research shows that older adults with low vitamin D levels are 40% more likely to fall. Yet those who supplemented with just 800 IU per day saw up to 20% improvement in leg strength in just 5 days. That's not hype, that's science. D3 helps absorb calcium, calms inflammation, improves muscle movement, and rebuilds the connection between your brain and muscles, a connection you need to feel steady on your feet. How to take it? 800 to 2,000 IU daily is ideal for most. Always take it with healthy fat. Think eggs, full-fat yogurt, avocado, or olive oil. Take it in the morning. Late-day D3 might interfere with sleep. And remember, if you're enjoying this so far, leave a comment with your city or country. We love seeing how far this caring community reaches. And don't forget to tap subscribe so you never miss a helpful tip made just for you. 2. Vitamin B12, the brain-to-leg connector. Next up is vitamin B12, the unsung hero of leg coordination. You see, B12 doesn't build muscle directly. Instead, it keeps your nervous system firing properly, like the cable connecting your brain to your legs. Without it, messages get lost. And that's when strange symptoms start showing up. Tingling in the feet or toes, a numb or disconnected feeling, trouble walking in a straight line, wobbling, drifting, or unexplained fatigue, even after light movement. If that rings true, B12 might be the key. And the problem? After 60, your stomach naturally produces less acid, which is essential to absorb B12, even if you eat meat, eggs, or dairy. And common medications like acid blockers or metformin can make this even worse. But here's the good news. B12 is easy to supplement, and improvements can come fast, often within a couple of weeks. Your legs feel more responsive, your steps feel sharper, and that nagging uncertainty about falling, it begins to fade. How to take it? Look for methylcobalamin, the most bioavailable form. 500 to 1,000 micrograms daily. Take it as a sublingual tablet, spray, or chewable. They absorb better than pills. Avoid pairing with coffee or tea. They can block absorption. If you're still watching, that tells me you care about your body, and I want to thank you. Drop a like, leave a quick hello in the comments, and hit subscribe if you haven't already. This community is for you. 3. Vitamin B1, the energy spark your legs have been missing. And finally, the third powerhouse, vitamin B1, also called thiamine. If D3 is the switch and B12 is the wire, then B1 is the spark. It's what transforms your food into pure energy, especially for muscles like your legs. Without enough of it, even healthy muscles feel tired. You might feel like you're dragging your legs, or like your legs tire too quickly, even after simple tasks like walking to the kitchen or going up a few stairs. Sound familiar? That's the silent impact of B1 deficiency. And here's why it's so common. Our bodies don't store B1 well. Common medications like diuretics flush it out. Even a little alcohol or processed food chips away at your levels. And as we age, we just absorb less. But when you restore B1, things change quickly. Studies show that seniors who took daily thiamine saw more energy, better stair climbing, and faster recovery, often in just 1 week. How to take it: 50 to 100 milligrams daily, ideally with breakfast. Pair it with protein or whole grains, like oatmeal with nuts, toast and eggs, or a smoothie with yogurt. Avoid pairing with alcohol or black tea. They interfere with absorption. B1 quietly supports not just movement, but muscle recovery. It helps your legs bounce back after use, so you can keep living independently, confidently, and free. Final words: it's not about age, it's about restoration. So there you have it, 3 gentle, powerful allies for your legs. Vitamin D, 3 for balance and bone strength. Vitamin B12 for clear nerve communication. Vitamin B1 for energy and smooth recovery. You don't need intense workouts. You don't need to push through pain. You just need the right nutrients, given with care, patience, and love for your aging body. Remember, it's never too late to take one small step toward feeling stronger. It's never too late to care for your legs, your balance, your freedom. And if this video gave you one helpful idea, I hope you'll like, comment, and subscribe so we can keep walking this journey together. You're doing beautifully. Take care of yourself today, and I'll see you in the next one.